Hey guys, Leon here from Lowyat TV. Vivo has just recently launched their V15 Pro here in Malaysia, so here's our quick look at the phone. So let's get into the specs. It has a 6.39-inch Ultra Full View display, which is a Super AMOLED display. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It can be expanded up to 256GB of storage via micro SD card. It has a 3700 mAh battery, which supports fast charging, so you can charge to about 24% in 15 minutes. It runs on Android Pie with FunTouch 9 UI, which is Vivo's typical skin. And it does have a headphone jack, but it's using a micro USB port, so there's that. Lastly, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor as well as Face Unlock. The Vivo V15 Pro has a true bezel-less design. This means it doesn't have a notch, nor does it have a hole punch display. What it does have though is a motorized camera. Now you can mute those funky sound effects that you can apply to the camera when it pops up, but the sound that the motor makes is still quite audible. So the motor is rated for 300,000 plus elevations. The camera has a 32 megapixel sensor and it's wide enough for a selfie with about 2 other people, comfortably of course. Although I'm sure if you try, you can definitely fit your whole gang in there. And it has features like portrait lighting and AR stickers. Turning the phone around, it comes in either coral red or topaz blue like the one we have here. It has a pretty noticeable camera bump. That is understandable because it's housing the motorized front camera as well as the triple camera setup you see here. It has a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. It also has a boatload of features from AI beauty to document scanning. So the Vivo V15 Pro is priced at 1,799 ringgit as of the making of this video. In terms of mid-range devices in 2019 so far, this really does fare well with its peers. So let us know down in the comments if you guys would like to see a comparison with it or a review of the phone, and we'll see what we can do. And as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.